This is a 2-bedroom villa at Bay Lake Tower. Standard room. So here's the first bathroom. And here's the first bedroom. Here's the bathroom. Got the little hand soaps. And all the remotes and stuff are in plastic, so you know they're sanitized. Here's a closet, laundry basket, here's the washer and dryer that come. Washers and dryers are in DVC 1 and 2 bedrooms. Here's the living, like the kitchen. Here's the fridge. There's cabinets. There's, I think, dishes, glasses. And here is a list of things that there's a toaster. Steve, if you're watching, Toaster Steve, that's your toaster. All your cleaning stuff. There's the sink, here's the recycle, here's the trash, and then we have some storage. And then we have the dishwasher, coffee pot, some snacks, some dishes, more dishes. Stove, oven, another remote in a plastic thing. Lots and lots of storage. This is like a lot of storage. This couch pulls out into like a double sofa and you can sleep. And here, in this thing here, we have extra pillows and blankets. We have some chairs. This also pulls out into like a bed. And we have that playing in the background. Some drawers. And here's the view. Here's our view. There's the Contemporary. There's the bridge over to the Contemporary. The castle is over here. We'll see that beauty tomorrow, which is Saturday the 11th, for the grand reopening of the Magic Kingdom. Nick and I will be there, so stay tuned. Nick will be live streaming it. I can't get out. Here's the balcony. There's the bridge, Contemporary, Castle, Space Mountain. That's just a beautiful shot. And then I can't close it. Yeah, that's fine. So we have Space Mountain little fixtures. And then we have the bathroom, jacuzzi, a shower, other bathroom, and then you have a place to like hang your ears or your bags. And here's like that thing over the bed. Here's the other door to the balcony. There's the contemporary right there. And of course we have that on. There was no special ticketed event. It was just for APs today. That ticketed event was APs only today.